Investing in stock market is not easy for beginners, but with this application, you will learn how to invest and which stock to invest in and the reason behind investing in that stock. As you can see, this is the interface of the application. This stock has a score of 70% over 100 and a margin of safety of 52%. Therefore, it's a watch. So this application analyzes each and every stock. And with this application, you have access to more than 40,000 US and international stock. So it will give you information on which stocks you can invest in, why, and also give you information on when to sell and when to buy stock. So in addition to stock, we have ETFs, over 1,500 ETFs. Same case to cryptos. You will have information on which crypto to invest in. These are information that are still new in the market. These are new information that has not been released out there by many mediums. So you'll be the first to get access to those information. Since this application analyzes all the information pertaining a certain stock and then give you a feedback on whether to invest it on that stock or not. So if you are just a beginner, you can check out the link in the description to download this application for a 14-day trial and see whether it's user-friendly and something that can help you. So this first step is to download the application for free. Check out the link in the description to access this application. Then complete the onboarding. When a stock changes, these are some of the steps that you need to go through when getting on board on this application. So it's simple. After that, start getting results on which stock to invest in, which stock to avoid, when to buy, when to sell, and how to invest in the stock market. And let's check out the reviews. So from Brian Lett, I value how TYKR, which is incredible user-friendly, provide an automated evaluation of stock, helping me quick assess the stock. So these are what people are saying, and based on 196 reviews. For now, that's a rating of almost 5.0 star, meaning these are nice application with over 9,000 plus customers. So if you want to have access to this application, you can check out the link in the description and watch it, because it will save your time in terms of analyzing what stock to trade on and also help you in managing your investment, reduce the risks that you put your investment in, because for beginners, most of them don't know where to invest their money, which stock. But with this application, you learn in a very simple way on which stock you can invest in. So you can also check out these investment tips, blog, stock reviews, calculation, how to videos, downloads, podcasts, all that you'll get access to from this application. So for free trial, check out the link in the description, and I'm sure you'll appreciate the work behind this application and save your time and money when it comes to investing in the stock market.